I trust Winsor and Newton and I paint directly upon it. Work hard, use your common sense and don't be afraid to trust your instincts. I would not trust Nixon from here to that phone. Trust has to be earned and should come only after the passage of time. We need self-confidence in our ability to build Africa. I trust in Mali and I trust in music. I just trust people and they sense everything gonna be alright. The moment for action has arrived and I know that I can trust in you to save our country. You have to be patient, trust the team that they can deliver a good job. Trust me, sunscreen is so important and so always wear sunscreen but I still get really tan. Choose your friends wisely and also choose friends that you can trust. My favorite 6 words in recovery are trust, God, clean, house, and help others. All of my favorite people I really trust, none of them were cool in their younger years. Let no such man be trusted.